Most people think real estate success starts with money, but the truth is, it often starts with banks. So, how exactly do US banks help millions of people buy property? Banks play a huge role in real estate by offering mortgages. A mortgage allows buyers to purchase property without paying the full price upfront. This makes homeownership possible for everyday people. Banks also offer different loan options. Fixed rate loans provide stable payments, while adjustable rate loans start lower and change over time. These choices help buyers match loans to their income and goals. For investors, banks help scale portfolios. One property can be used as collateral to buy another. This process allows investors to grow faster while spreading risk. Banks also protect the market. They verify income, credit history, and property value before approving loans. This reduces risky deals and keeps prices more stable. Real estate growth in the US would not exist without banks. When used wisely, bank financing turns long term planning into real ownership and real wealth.